Hey, what's up, guys? It's Victor Agbo, aka Vic Realtor, aka Vic's Chicken, aka y'all already know who it is, your Columbus Realtor. And today, guys, I have a beautiful 2023 shotgun style new build. And when I tell you guys, this is one of the best homes I've ever done a video on, guys. I mean that. All right. And the reason I'm being quiet, other than that train, is because this neighborhood is silent. I mean, silent. It's so quiet and so peaceful here. And it's cold. It's cold outside. But in the sun, guys, I feel warm. I feel good. This is a nice neighborhood. I'm telling you guys. Now, before we hop into it, guys, we are in a community located here in Lewis Center. And this home was actually built by the Steel Group. They do luxury properties ranging from what I've seen anywhere from 800,000 to like 1.5, 1.76, and they do custom homes, guys. Custom homes, top of the notch, super luxury, high quality homes. So shout out the Steel Group, and yeah, let's get right into the facts on this property, guys. So starting off, for this home, this beautiful home behind me, guys, this is a 5-bedroom, 5-bathroom, 3-car garage new build, guys. It is sitting right under 3,200 square foot. I don't know if you guys, I'll put an exterior shot here of a walk around, but this thing is huge. Guys, I'm talking about vaulted ceilings, finished basement, all that. You guys are gonna see, just keep watching. This is a top-notch new build home, guys. Now again, like I said, and I keep saying, this was built in 2023, and it's sitting on about a 7,000 square foot lot, guys. Actually, to be exact, when we look at my notes here, a 7,840 square foot lot. I mean, it's huge. And the reason they call these shotgun style homes, for those of you who are wondering, is because the garage is actually located in the back, right? Which is why from the front, this home doesn't look too big, but if you see the side profile, we'll see how it's super long, and that's where they get that shotgun style name from. Now, like I said, guys, this home has a ton of features. I mean, like I said, vaulted ceilings, right? Finished basement with a wet bar. Okay, 3-car garage. Guys, I'm talking top of the line. Furniture, trim, all that. I can't even describe it all. But guys, just keep watching, stay tuned in. You guys are gonna see the quality of this new build, all right? Let's get straight into this home tour. Also, remember, guys, if you're interested and wanna know more about this beautiful home here, or if you're looking to buy, sell, rent, invest, or even relocate to Columbus or surrounding cities, guys, my contact info is in the description down below. Well, let's get right into it. Come on. All right, let's head in, guys. And like I said earlier, this is a 5-bed, 5-bath, sitting out just around 3,200 square foot, a little bit under. And guys, this one here in the title, it said $1 million. Well, it's right under $1 million at 944, but close enough, right? Or am I wrong for that? So this is it, guys, and let's dive straight into it. All right, guys, so I appreciate you guys making it this far into the video. This home is beautiful. I'm telling you guys, I've seen many things throughout this home, and I don't even know what my favorite part is. I mean, honestly, if it's for me, and sorry if it's echoing, but for me, I'm gonna do the vaulted ceilings and that finished basement, because I play some games and I definitely change that around to suit my gaming needs, if you get what I'm saying. But yeah, this is a very beautiful home. I mean, you guys saw the trim, the detail, the materials. This is a beautiful project. It came out beautifully, and I'm so glad that the Steel Group gave me the opportunity to show it to you guys. Now, the Steel Group partnered with many other brands in order to make this happen. For example, Amish Originals went and did all the furniture you guys are seeing out here. Cambria did some of the granite I'm seeing, some of the materials you guys are seeing here, but many different partners. You'll see the picture that they all threw together to make this happen. I mean, this is a top of the notch luxury home, guys, I'm telling you. So if you guys are actually interested, the Steel Group does have more lots available, guys. They're still building. And like I said, they do have a custom home build process, because this is not a model home, it's a custom home. So if you're interested and you're looking to build your dream home, guys, reach out to me and I'll get you guys in through the Steel Group. But yeah, that's about it. I really appreciate you guys for going through. Like I said, those vaulted ceilings and that finished basement, I mean, that's it for me. Like, that's really what drew me to this home. And I can't really name all the features. In fact, I'll put a full list of features here in the video just so you guys can see. It's full of different features, different amenities. I mean, this home is packed. This is top of the notch, I'm telling you guys. But I appreciate you guys for watching. Make sure you come back in the next one. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe. And again, if you're interested in this home, or if you want to know more about the Steel Group or other builders, if this isn't in your price range, make sure to hit me. My contact info is in the description down below. Or if you're even interested in buying, selling, investing, relocating in Columbus or surrounding cities, my info is in the description down below. But yeah, I appreciate you guys for tuning in. This is one of the craziest tours I've ever done, and I will see you guys in the next one. Peace.